Never mind. Guys. Hi, guys. Today is Mills time. So, the most crowded place is usually the parties. Wait. So, we will be going to the party. And people will be trading lots, so it's going to be messing up this video. I hate it when people do that. It is so for shit. Anyways. Next I'm going to be getting Rhino. My next video I'll be getting a Rhino, so you'll be watching that. Well, yeah.
Oh, the Ford Devils.
Yeah? Oh, got to go.